Hello viewers of the X-Jet channel, here's a video for you today, and here's the problem that we've got. If we look over at these hills here, you'll see there's quite a bit of dust blowing off those hills because it ain't half windy today. You can see over here more dust. This is being blown off, and it's only spring so the ground isn't that dry. There's the windsock. That one's a bit sheltered, so it's a 30 knot windsock, so you can see it's gusting there up to 25 knots, maybe a bit more. It's pulling the dust off the ground. The trees are leaning over in the breeze, and that makes it a bit hard to fly when that wind is a direct crosswind to the runway. So on a day when the full size won't even land here, let's see what we can do with some models.
You went about half throttle. I didn't go. That wasn't full bore.
Not even when you started up.
Oh,
You said to the side.
remember the double throttle.
Yeah.
And they had survivors. It's a lot shorter than what it used to be.
But the tail heavy to me.
get a pass over there. Make it
Oh, that'll do.
You got it?
You missed a bit, Barry.
I don't know what that was.
That's the underneath part of it. You'll be able to repair it, eh?
Might be able to.
You'll be able to repair it.
Might take a bit of work.
Ooh, you did. That stopped quick. I'll just do it fast. Okay. Go faster, bitch! Where'd he go? Oh, he's flown away. Shame. True. Bit of sport.